Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to read PDF files aloud in Foxit PDF Reader in 2026. First, open Foxit PDF Reader on your computer. Now open any PDF file. Go to the top menu and click View. After that, click Read. If Read Current Page is grayed out and you cannot click it, first click Activate Read. This step is very important because the Read Out Loud feature will not work until Activate Read is enabled. Once Activate Read is turned on, click Read Current Page. Foxit will start reading the text on the current page aloud. If you want Foxit to continue reading from the current page to the next pages, click Read from Current Page. To pause the reading, click Pause. To continue, click Resume. To stop the reading completely, click Stop. If Read Current Page is still unavailable, check whether the PDF contains selectable text. Try selecting a word with your mouse. If you cannot select the text, the PDF is likely a scanned image PDF. In that case, you need to use OCR or text recognition before Foxit can read the document aloud. You can also adjust the reading speed and volume from the read settings. That's it. This is the easiest way to read PDF files aloud in Foxit PDF Reader in 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.